Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me start with a little scenario. Picture this: you're on the pickleball court, sun is high, you're moving around, dinking, volleying, and every time you pivot or the breeze hits you, there's this crisp, minty, sparkling freshness radiating off your skin. Now, I'm not gonna pretend I'm out there on the court myself. I'm not a pickleball player, but I know a great active scent when I smell one. And this is it. It's been called a mojito in a bottle. The water from a vase of cut flowers. But after months of wearing it, I mean, look at this bottle, guys. It's already half empty. I'm officially calling it the ultimate pickleball recommendation. It's You or Someone Like You by Etat Libre, launched in 2017, created by Caroline Sabas. This citrus aromatic was made to bottle up that fresh, green, sun-drenched day feeling. I grabbed a 2024 batch bottle a while back. So this juice has been well loved, and honestly, if you're a pickleball player, this is the one. It stays breezy and clean, it never gets cloying, and I can absolutely see why it will turn heads on the court. So let's get into it.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's look at what you actually get. Presentation wise, it's classic Eldo white box with that blue bullseye motif. Very minimal. It's inside, you've got a square clear glass bottle, simple sticker label. It's not super luxurious, but it feels solid and no nonsense, you know. The chrome cap clicks on firmly, and the atomizer gives a really nice even mist. My batch is from 2024, so it's performing exactly as it should. Nice and vibrant. I actually kind of love when the bottle is understated because then the juice gets all the attention. Now, the real magic. Let's spray this. Wow. Oh man. First spray. Oh man. Right away, you get this insanely realistic mint. Like you just crushed a fresh mint leaves between your fingers. It's cooling, vivid, instantly puts a smile on your face. Then around 10 to 15 seconds, the grapefruit pops, sparkling, zesty, slightly bitter, that effervescent mojito vibe. It's like someone squeezed a ripe grapefruit right into your glass. By 30 seconds, I catch the bergamot, adding some classic citrus brightness. And then, maybe a minute in, there's a whisper of anise. Just a subtle hint of licorice hiding in the background. Not loud, really well done. So the opening is just this gorgeous, refreshing concoction that screams summer cocktail, but on my skin, there's something else people mention, that watery, green, vase of flowers freshness. Once the opening settles around 5 to 10 minutes, the heart starts coming through. At 10 to 15 minutes, I get the green notes, crushed stems, just cut grass. That vase water floracy. It's not dirty, it's clean and luminous. There is a bit of cassis in there too, a faint, tart, better thing, but it's subtle. By 20 minutes, rose shows up, but don't think powdery old-fashioned rose. It's luminous green rose petal, almost like rose water, adding this classy depth. And the hedion in here amplifies everything, makes it airy, radiant, and a little bubbly. By 30 minutes, the heart is in full bloom, and I swear it's like standing in a garden right after a light rain. Mojito in hand, mint still humming in the background. It never fully vanishes. It just keeps things cool the whole time. Fast forward to the dry down, around an hour and a half to 2 hours, the white mass starts to emerge. It's clean, soft, a little soapy, but in a really elegant way. The green notes and mint gradually fade, and by 3 or 4 hours, it's mostly a musky, slightly sweet skin scent with just a faint echo of mint and rose. So on my skin, it leans a touch more unisex to feminine in this phase. But honestly, anyone can rock it. The whole journey is pretty linear, but that's part of the appeal. You know exactly the vibe you're getting. And it's incredibly easy to wear without any weird surprises. Performance wise, for a freshie, this is impressive. I get solid projection for the first 2 to 3 hours. Nice scent bubble that captures attention without choking anyone out. Then it settles closer, but I still catch occasional whiffs at the 6 to 7 hour mark. On clothes, it lasts even longer. And here's the thing, you've worn this specifically to play pickleball. Picture this. Sunny day, you're on the court, dinking and driving the ball, and you've got this refreshing minty grapefruit aura radiating off your skin. It cuts through the outdoor air, keeps you feeling fresh even when you're sweating. And I'm telling you, it's a freaking compliment magnet. People have literally asked, what are you wearing? It smells so good out there. It's tailored for that active, warm weather vibe. Not heavy, not cloying, just clean and invigorating. To me, it's ideal for any active, warm weather situation. Like it was basically designed for someone to wear it on the pickleball court and come out smelling even better. So, hold this for it's unisex all the way. If you love green, fresh mint scents, this will be an absolute obsession. It's a masterclass warm to hot weather fragrance. Perfect for daytime, casual outings, beach days, brunch, the office, the gym. Yes, I'm doubling down. If you're a pickleball player, this is the fragrance for you. It's also great when you just want to throw something on and feel instantly put together. Age wise, I'd say 20 above can rock it easily. It's mature but not old. Just really likable and easy to pull off. There's something in this that just makes you happy. It's like summer in a bottle in the most effortless way. DNA comparison, it often gets compared to Torino 21 by Sergio for that photorealistic man. I totally get that. But you or someone like you is less herbal and more mojito mint with that watery floral twist. It's unique in its own right. Here's my verdict. I absolutely like this. It's an absolute summer obsession, beautifully crafted, great quality. The dry down on my skin is phenomenal, comforting, classy, and that minty backbone is addicting. I'm giving it a solid 9 out of 10. The only thing keeping it from a perfect 10 is that it's not super complex, but honestly, that's also its charm. It's easy to wear, a compliment magnet, and just nails what it sets out to do. So again, if you're a pickleball player or someone who wants a standout freshie that is not your typical blue fragrance, go for it. I grabbed the 2024 batch and it performs wonderfully. Honestly, you or someone like you, more like you need this in your collection. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoy this, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't, and drop a comment. What is your go-to summer scent? And if you play pickleball, have you ever worn a niche fragrance on the court? I'd love to hear. Until next time, stay fresh, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.